Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a makeup look that will last all day, especially in this heat and the long hours of work, because I am intern myself, so I know that how hectic it becomes to go out in this humidity and this much of heat. So let's get started with the video. Okay, so before doing your makeup, the very important step is to do a very good skin prep, because even if you layer your makeup, it shouldn't melt away in like in 2 to 3 hours, and heavy makeup in this summer is equals to a disaster. So for my skin prep, I usually use this toner in every other makeup or in every other video you will see. So this is my Plum Niacinamide toner. Okay, next I will be also using a moisturizer. You can use any lightweight moisturizer, whatever suits your skin. For me, it's always Pond's lightweight moisturizer. Next up, I will be using a primer, because without primer I can't function, because I have a combination skin and my T-zone, especially this area, gets really oily. So if I put on makeup and this area gets patchy, it really looks weird when you are out in public. So for me, I'm using this Color Bar Poreless primer that really helps in smoothing out my texture, and I can layer my makeup really well. Next up, I will be using this Rene 3-in-1 makeup. Since I am skipping all the compact concealer and foundation thing, I just wanna put like really lightweight makeup on my face. Also not on my full face. I will be using this only in my dark circles area and the spots where my face requires it. Other than that, I am not using it, because for me, I really feel like the less product you use during summers, the more better your face looks like. So I'll be using this see the difference. This is what I need in summers. So once I am done with my base, I'll be using this blush by Lakme, and it's in the shade Natural Rose. It really gives that summer flush look on your face, not too much and not too less as well. It's the very minimal product you need, and you can already see that. So I'm done using the blush. I have applied a little bit on my nose and my chin as well to give that summer look. Now I will be using the same blush as my eyeshadow, because I don't want to layer too much product on my eyes as well, and want to keep it as a very minimal subtle look, so that you can use it for everyday makeup as well, and also if you're going to office, you can use this makeup as well. So I will be using this color only as my eyeshadow, and I will be using my fingers only. We are done with our eye makeup look, and we are almost done with our makeup. I'll be completing my eye makeup look with the eyeliner, with a very thin eyeliner, not a wing eyeliner, because I already wear specs, so there's no point of doing a wing eyeliner. But I love to do eyeliner, so I'm doing a thin eyeliner that will go with this look. since we are done with all of our makeup and our lipstick is only left, so lipstick and highlighter is left actually. So I will be using this setting spray because I'm done with my base makeup and also my eye makeup. So let's use this setting spray once and then we will complete our look. We are not using highlighter because I don't have a highlighter right now. I don't know where I kept it and I forgot. So we are skipping highlighter, but if you want you can use the highlighter on your cheekbones and highlighting points. I will be using straight away a lipstick. Okay, this is a lipstick by Lakme 925 Primer Matte Lipstick. It's in the shade Deep Wine and I really like this shade. By the way, it's my mom's lipstick and I stole it from her because of this video. So instead of using this dark lipstick on my lips, I have used it a little bit and I have sprayed it. It is looking really beautiful. And it goes with the look as well, because if I would have used the whole lipstick as it would have been too dark for my lips and for my makeup and the dress as well I'm wearing. So for our everyday look, I guess I like the way I'm using the lipstick right now. We are done with our makeup. I will quickly go and do my hair off screen and then I will show you the entire look. This is my final look of my makeup and my hair after it's completely done. Thanks for watching this video and staying with me and watching this tutorial. I really had fun doing this makeup look. Let me know in the comment section what makeup else do you want to guys see in my videos, and till then subscribe to my channel, like, share and subscribe, and thanks for being here.